Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to fix the issue in your headphones that your headphones keep disconnecting from your phone. So how to actually fix this issue? The first thing that you need to do is charging your headphones up to 100%. It should actually fix everything. If it doesn't want to fix this issue, you need to try connecting your headphones to a different source actually. And if it keeps disconnecting, for example, from other phone, other tablet, other laptop, you need to focus on your headphones because the issue is here. However, if it works nicely, you need to focus on your phone, the former, the original one, the genuine one that you have used your headphones with. So let's maybe focus now on your headphones. What you can do: perform a factory reset. Find this button right here, and when your headphones are turned off, hold this button for 10 seconds to perform the factory reset. Pair your headphones back again and everything should be working fine. If it doesn't want to work fine, you need to do something else. You need to unpair them from the device you have now, switch to MP3 mode in your headphones, listen to music on your MP3 mode. I mean, just play some sounds on this MP3 mode, then switch back to Bluetooth and pair your headphones back again. And that should be actually it. And that's all we can do actually on our headphones. However, if the issue is only in your phone and it works nicely with every other single thing, device, etc., you need to focus on your phone. What you can do here: restart your phone, open settings, then go to apps, show system once, find Bluetooth and the letter B, open it, scroll down to storage and clear cache. And this will actually fix the issue. That's it. Bye.